Hold on a second, I can't hear you yet. Headphones connect. There we go.
Hey,
Beautiful. Hello.
Hey.
I'm glad to see you're throwing up actively. Oh, okay.
Whoa, ass boy.
I'm making myself a sandwich here, so. Good.
Alright, the stream is live.
Uh-oh.
Is there any way you could go to it and like listen to a part where there's music and talking? See if like one is too loud, because in the mixer, the desktop audio sound looks like it's loud.
Live now.
Why is there not like a recording like red dot icon emoji?
Oh, for like I'm actively live or something.
Yeah.
I don't
Um.
It looks like it sounds like it's okay. I mean, we can maybe turn it down a smidgen, but like it's not like it sounds like it's perfectly good right where it's at. Not overwhelming.
You sure?
That's okay to me.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to turn down a smidgen, so it's not
I'll
like
turn it down.
sounds like it's just equal with us. Yeah.
Oh, like are you saying like it's louder than us, or?
No, it's like the same level.
All right.
You can hear us just fine.
Live. Day 2 of global
Gamer.
day 29 of programming 365. Wow, we re.
I just keep thinking about that Mario Party 2 song. This way out.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna add that to a new playlist. Certified bops. All right, I'm gonna put this way that on there.
Glub.
Save. Yeah. What else can go on here? You know what I completely neglected to do today? Which is fine because I gotta work on it anyways. That'd be a good subject. The whole leapfrog mechanic.
Oh, the whole, thing where...
The whole, like, core mechanic of the game, yeah. Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Shit, I don't know how I'm gonna do that either. What I think I could do is I could...
the frog.
Yeah, I could like enable the rigid body and just slingshot the frog.
Okay.
I'm gonna see how that functions right now, though. Like,
just add some add some force to the frog.
Let me go ahead and push what I have, and we can get the project in HDRP. Oh, you know what else is a certified bop? That SpongeBob stepping on the beach remix.
There's a remix of that?
There's like a Sephiroth, like Final Fantasy. There's a bunch. Here's Stepping on the Beach trap remix. I don't know how this actually sounds, so I'm gonna listen to it first, and then I'll add it to the thing if it's dope. It sounds kind of stupid so far, if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the beat.
Yeah, this is right out the bat. It's taking a while to drop.
No, this sucks ass, actually. Oh, Artificial Intelligence Beach is pretty good.
Yeah, this is a proper bop.
Prop bop. So let me push my changes. Random bullshit. Go! Okay. So you haven't pushed anything, but all of your stuff is like. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can do that then. I was wondering if like all your stuff was like something that you could just send in a file and I could add it to the project, or we could add it afterwards. But yeah, that's fine too. Let me figure out how we're gonna do lighting.
Frogs.
Fjord.
Yes. Fjord.
Yeah, Oregon. Where is
Okay, that should be.
Final Fantasy.
It should be mergeable. Go ahead and pull it.
Ah, here it is. Okay. Alright, I got your changes, Daddy-o. Valid GUI state, that's fine. Prefabs, we got some floors, we got the frogs! We got 2 frogs! That's beautiful. I'm gonna make them hold hands.
That's all you need to make a game. So frogs and some floors.
Cute. Oh, they are adorable, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's see. So you reverted all of your HDRP, right?
Yeah, there's nothing HDRP.
Okay, I'll go ahead and handle upgrading to that. Because there is some funky business with it, but I know how to do it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the following just the online stuff, I was like, what the hell?
Oops. Okay. Go ahead and add that to the... Oh, it's already in my meme music playlist, apparently. That's fair. There's a really good one-winged angel.
One-winged.
It's like very like heavy. I gotta find it though. Whoever makes Final Fantasy does not like remixes or something, because they like. Well, I say that, and there's like a bajillion different remixes here, just not the one I'm looking for.
You're just saying that the people who like Square Enix don't like are Nintendoing it and like burning down anybody who or cease and desisting anybody.
Maybe, or this one just sucks and no one likes it but me.
Huh.
That's a possibility. Because I'm getting I'm getting a recommendation for a video called Certified Hash Brown Moment before I'm getting this video. So I don't know what that says. All right, well I'll find it later then. I'll just put on our random playlist. France Gall. Yeah, that's who we need to be listening to. Okay, so it gives me a recommendation for France Gall playlist, right? Awesome. I love that music. It's a pretty good genre. Very next suggestion, or very next thing in the playlist is electronic music. Like, entirely different genre. Oh, yeah. I'm so sick of listening to it. It's not bad, but it's like, it's the same electronic music every time, and it always fakes me out because the first one is like, oh, that's a new recommendation.
Wow. Yeah, and they end up just sounding exactly the same.
Harlem River. Sure, I'll keep that in. Hold on. Have you, this is just turning into a Beam review.
Uh-oh.
The animals.
Hold on. I can still hear you. I'm gonna go put my stuff in this thing.
Okay. Oh, is this it? They're so stupid. Alright. I'm gonna just put music on and focus now. Go ahead and like my own thing. Hamster Haunter says hello. Is that one of my friends? Because they commented on another video of mine a long time ago. I was wondering if it was any of my IRL friends. Hello, Hamster Haunter. I can't keep up with chat because I am broke as a joke and I only have one monitor. So it's kind of hard to juggle it. Okay, back to actual... I will keep this open. Can I pop this out? Oh, perfect. I can just go back to that. Cool. Welcome to live chat. Super. Cool. I'll just put that like right there. Okay. Why is Game Pass open? HDRP. Okay, now I have to... Okay, fix all. Do you want to create... Yes.
Hold on, something messed up on my...
Why does it say top chat? Some messages such as may not be visible. I want all messages. I don't care how spammy they are. I hope the music isn't too loud.
Okay, sorry. I didn't hear what you were saying for the last a little bit. After you said, my friend, are you my friend? It like, something's going on with my headphones off and on right now. You said that as you like rose up your voice, and so it sounded like you peaked the mic and it cut off. And I was just like, I just thought, I was sitting in silence for a while and I was like, what, did you just like break your microphone somehow? And then I saw the green moving and I was like, oh, okay. I restarted my headphones and it's working now, but that was kind of scary. I was just sitting there quietly like, what is happening?
Are you my friend? I'm just screaming it.
Yeah, but it perfectly cuts at the scream, and I was like, oh.
I'm pulling out the work keyboard now. Is this the right cable? Yeah. Sweet. I love this little keyboard. It's a Keychron K6 wireless. It's beautiful. And set it to cable. Nice. Okay. Now to fix all the other crap with HDRP. So it supposedly fixed all that. Convert all built-in materials. Convert, upgrade, yeah. Oh wait, that's not the right one. Convert all built-in, sure. Oh, convert, oh, what is it in? Graphics, rendering, export, materials, upgrade, convert all... Okay, whatever. I'll just find these particular ones and fix them. Purple. HDRP. Lit. That doesn't look right. Oops. Oh man, my keyboard's not actually on. What the heck? Set to cable. Oh, because the cable isn't plugged in. That would, yeah. Whoops.
Wireless.
Is it not? Is your headset still not working?
No, sorry, I'm back. You said it was wireless. I can hear you the whole time. I was just across the room, putting my I was finishing up the dishes here. Oh. I have a force habit of there's things in the sink. Just gotta go put them away.
Gotcha.
All right.
Okay, so currently the project's a little borked. The project's a little borked.
Yeah, going to HDRP does not fare well.
Well,
obviously you can revert it, but
yeah, it just doesn't convert all of the materials correctly. So I'm trying to do that now.
I have like 3 materials. I can make fresh ones.
If you think making the materials would be faster, or I'm trying to figure out what it is because it has the right things.
Is the lighting at least fixed?
For the most part,
correct.
It's definitely different.
When you have a directional light for like the sunlight, if you rotate it upside down, does it change affect the skybox to be?
Oh yeah, that's that's way different.
Is that doing what it's supposed to do, or?
Well, Unity doesn't have like a nighttime thing. It kind of looks like shit.
No. It looks bad, but as soon as you go past the horizon, it like just turns into like pitch black. I was having a problem where like even rotating that didn't do anything. I was like, what?
Oh, interesting.
It was set to affect it, but
let me. I'm rendering out the lighting, so let me see if it makes it look any better. Or what's it called? Building the lighting? Something like that.
Yeah, I think it's building the lighting.
And there's also a Russian person
Oh,
that I don't know how to pronounce. And they say vor.ngo, whatever that means. I'm sure it's something pleasant.
I'm glad to know they're, yeah.
Why is the red looking like it's orange? Is that normal? This does not look like HDR.
At least the shadows are there, but like something, I could see your stream. It doesn't affect the skyline like I was having issues with.
Something's funky here.
Yeah, even if you go through all the fixes, it doesn't work. I think it's a lot easier to. I mean, you have to apply the lighting settings and the volumes and such to get default settings. In the package manager, there is an extra options, and you can add the default HDR options. That's at least nice to have available to just make sure, like as a baseline, that it's attached correctly. But
yeah, like this is definitely something, but I don't know. What's the best?
Yeah, that doesn't look red at all. You're a little sus block.
Let's see. So if we mess around with that gets it back to red, but it also kind of. So that's the intensity, and we're bringing it down to about here. That's a good bit more red, and it definitely still has the HDR aspect. Let me see what happens if I bring in one of our flooring. It's weird that the I guess because maybe it's just a base color, but like only the top of the ground is messed up. Yeah.
You'd think that the default intensity for the directional light would be not
layered lit, maybe. Let's just try. Oh, there isn't an option for lit. What the heck? This is wild.
Yeah, I just a lot of times starting out with a fresh.
What was the name of the material for the grass block, or for the top of the ground?
It's just green, I think.
Well, like the material, like the texture that's applied to the material.
Oh, no, there is no texture applied to them. I just slider.
Oh.
Move them. Just since they're flat, they are UV unwrapped, but given that they're all flat texture, I didn't find much purpose to put it into substance and just make a color when it's easier to adjust that slider.
Gotcha. How?
I see you were trying to apply a grass texture onto it.
Yeah. Maybe I haven't used HDRP because like this is very different, because I think I just use URP most of the time, but like I do have, like, how do you apply a skybox?
So there's a weird multi-ish thing for applying a skybox. I have a project that I can potentially put on GitHub, and then that has like everything kind of set up. It's the one that I used, for example. I just don't know how to do that. But at least maybe if you want to look at it, it has all the set things correct for skyboxes. And I have a bunch of like free like rig things that I wanted to go through and look at, and then delete the rest of them. Let me see. Repository name Froggy is available?
Ooh.
We will own the repository Froggy. I'm surprised it hasn't been.
Go to your volume, add the respective override. Does it mean like here? Oh, interesting.
There's like 3 different layers of things, and they have to attach to each other. And I forget. There's a volume.
Oh.
There's lighting settings, and then in the volume, you can add a override that is for the skybox.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah,
right now.
yeah. Uh-huh.
That is kind of cool in a weird way. How do I get it to get the skybox to light up? Oh man, this is like I've never used Unity before. It's a whole different ballgame.
It's utilizing much better lighting systems that I love, and I don't know what was up with the materials or maybe the lighting, but like it was just looking so weird.
I just like flashbanged the thing.
I'm scared. It's in my other screen.
How do I get it to curve mapping? Physical camera. That made it worse. Fixed? Oh, that is terrible. Okay. Okay. That's not bad per se. It's pretty alright. Maybe make it a little brighter. Make it pretty bright, you know? Okay, I like that a little bit. HDR sky, distortion mode. Procedural. Now I'm just messing with crap.
Huh.
What does that do? Does that actually... Oh. Is that what it does?
I don't know.
I thought it like... Hold on, I want to see what it looks like in play mode. Oh, it does! Oh, it rotates the skybox by itself, so you don't have to like write anything extra for it. That's
when you rotate
cool.
the sunlight.
No. Like there's a, like in the HDR sky volume thing or override. There's an option to automatically rotate the skybox, so it's like it'll slowly rotate around.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, let's see, custom. I can make it go faster. I could probably make it like nauseating. Oh, it doesn't just rotate it. It like fades in and out the layers. That's a little weird. I mean, I'm sure it's just looking like that because I've sped it up like a billion times. Oh, that looks crazy. Let's sped it up faster. Oh, it's terrible. Okay, set it back down to like 200.
I'm waiting for the anticipation of when you increase the speed.
Intensity mode. So we can brighten that up and then go in here and tone. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's bring that back down. I really kind of want it to be a lighter. Oh, here's the rotation. I think. Or is that just literally...
Holy shit, that can go fast. It warps into another form of existence.
Oh, this does actually rotate it. So we can add both of these on top of each other. Oh, this is wild.
You know what? If those are working out, then I can work off of that.
Yeah, I think it might be good just to get the frog textures back in.
Yeah, I can work off of that.
Yeah, see? Gonna have to bring down the grass a lot because it's like I don't know, there's still something about the color that's off. Maybe there's like a... Is that what this tone mapping might do?
So that's where like a lot of the stacks of other options are. You can do exposure and yeah, you're right, the tone mapping. I can't see the best on your, but yeah, you can just like adjust the final product. It's pretty much cheating, but not really.
Let's add a little bit more motion blur. Get it real crazy. At 10. Oh, that might be too much. 5. Don't want it to be too crazy. I'll mess with motion blur more when I get into setting up the actual camera.
All right.
I'm just trying to get it to look like good. Copy that and paste component values. Sick. Or I might have actually done that automatically. I think that looks pretty good. The lighting looks really good. It bounces off of the grass, the ground block pretty well. Let's see, preview. Maybe I did the frogs wrong.
The frogs are pretty easy to add a new material into. At a certain point, like if you're making an HDRP project, then you want to like make them yourself. So updating them probably isn't like it's easy to just apply the textures on.
And that would be the normal map, I think. What's the black and white one? Which one's the height map?
For the frogs?
Yeah.
Actually, the purple is not the normal map. There's no normal map on them. It's just normal, metallic, roughness, and they should have names.
Wait, which one's the normal one then?
There is no normal.
Oh, there is no normal.
Yeah.
I don't see roughness anywhere. I see mask map.
The black and the white ones are the roughness and the metallic. I think the white one's the roughness, if I had to remember.
I don't see a... Hold on. Maybe there's just a... Yeah. Yeah, I don't see a roughness one.
Really?
Yeah.
Files I can open up.
So, did you say the purple is the base color?
Yeah, the purple, and then there's a folder called yellow. That just has the base color for the yellow frog. But they both share the same metallic and roughness. So there should be a metallic, and the white one is the roughness, the black one is metallic.
Gosh dang it. Okay. Hey, there they are. Does that look, I sent it through Discord. They're a bit bright.
Do they have emissive attached to the material?
Let's see.
Don't.
They do, but it's not like actually enabled. Here, let me push what I have, and then you can fuck around with it, right?
Yeah, I have the I know where I want it shadowing.
Okay.
I'll create some lighting settings as well that I think will look nice.
And pushed.
Okay, sweet. There we go, bold.
River. I made them hold hands.
Aw, they're in love. Or they're mortal enemies.
The school teacher made them hold hands for the rest of the day.
They hate each other.
Boing. So that's the part I gotta figure out is they get up behind each other and boing right over each other. Boing.
Yeah, and if you're using physics, I can't imagine it being the most consistent thing, but it'd be great.
It should, in theory, be consistent because their positions are always consistent. The landing is going to be the hard part, and readjusting to or I need to find a formula where I can just apply an arch, so doom.
Oh, where they retain. Where they're yeah.
Alternatively, so the graphics are separated from the actual player, like their parent component. So we can move the parent component and then just play a procedural animation where one jumps on the other and jumps to the new point, which is possible thanks to smooth moves. Let me see.
So you can just create an animation, but it's not really what's happening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hold on. I want to show you the test bounce animation that I have. It's not. Hold on. Actually, you know what?
I can kind of see.
Let me
a little
apply
bit
it
of what's
to
going on here.
Here, I'm gonna prefab the purple frog, and I'm gonna put him under the test player, and reset all this stuff, and then just disable. Oh well, I'll put him under here, and then disable this stuff. Yeah, really cheesing it.
Test animation happening.
Let me drop them down. So that's be negative 0.5. That checks out. Cool. Is it facing the right way? I think it is. Nice. Okay, let's see how this looks. Look at him go!
I'll see you in a second once it catches up.
Once it catches up, you're gonna be like, "Wowee! Look at that frog go!" And here's
I'll say that very specifically.
Here's it jumping off. Yay! Okay, that works for me. If that works for you, that works for me. I'm happy with it. For now. For now. I think that's pretty good, actually. Let me get it with a different camera angle. See if I can. Bring it up. Bring it up out here. Save it. I think this is actually kind of cool.
Oh, that actually looks really good. What the hell? That's so beautiful. Oh, he fell off the edge. No.
Okay, that's I need to bring it up just slightly. Let me try
now
475.
If
oh yeah, that's negative 0.475. That's the sweet spot.
Now, if we wanted to, would it be possible for me to? I was thinking, I could make another model. That's in a like his legs are just like pushed back a little bit, just come kind of extension.
Yeah.
Would it be possible to just like hot swap just for the movement?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
We could do like a stop motion kind of thing, where it's it's very
we have like 2 frames. Yeah, that way it's at least feeling like they're. I mean, even without it, it still feels like they're just. It kind of gives that like you're moving a chess piece in a game.
Yeah, I dig it. You did a really good job with these models. They look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I like their eyes a lot.
I wasn't sure if I should give them glossy eyes or not, but I think it worked out okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. Now I'm in the. Oh.
All right. Now I need to do some shenanigans. So, I'm gonna name this player _ purple. Okay. Duplicate it. Replicate it.
Replicate it.
Call it yellow. Drop them down here. Do some unprefabbing. Do some deleting. And do some moving. Nice. Okay. And then up arrow. Down arrow. Left arrow and right arrow. Sweet. Now we have 2 frogs in motion. Woohoo! Look at them go. Both. Maybe need to find a way so that. Well, I'm not going to worry about collision just yet, because by default they'll try to jump over each other, I guess. That's a tricky question.
If they try to jump over each other,
yeah. So, like, if they're coming at each other. Oh, one fell off. Crap. So the idea is that like if one comes up from behind, that's the one that's gonna leapfrog, and they'll go like one or two extra tiles past the normal move set. But what are we gonna do if these fine gentlemen like collide?
If they both go straight into each other.
Yeah. One possible solution is that we execute movement into like not in parallel, but like one goes first, and that's like the dominant. So like if purple's moving even just a frame faster, what the heck? Oh, my debug commands are still in. Then they will be the one that, you know, that can take that, that occupy that spot, and we could just track that somewhere and be like, this is a no-go zone.
But what if they press it at the same time?
Theoretically, there should always be one that's a frame faster, because there's no way to have two inputs on the same frame, as far as I understand. Like you can I really don't know. That's kind of a tricky problem right there. I guess we'll roll with it as if that's not a problem right now, because realistically, them colliding doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
The only part that matters is one being stationary and one coming up from behind, because if they're on the move, then that trigger volume should be disabled, right?
Yes.
Alternatively, and no, because I definitely want it to be two frogs. I don't want to have like one is the player and there's like stone frogs all over the place and use those, but I want it to be two that interact. And and I thought a good a solid end point is that there's two buttons at the end gate that both frogs have to be on for the level to end.
Oh, okay. I can make buttons.
Yeah, and we could just reuse the buttons for everywhere. And I think that'd be pretty good. So now we're worrying about collision. An issue though is getting that detection just right for intercepting that little area. So I guess we could do
now you're deep thought about how this.
But for now, I'm just gonna do a test for the collision and make it so that they always fly off into the nothingness,
the void.
Yeah, we need some testing materials in here. I don't like having just basic stuff. Oh no, it's fine. I don't care.
Basic stuff? What do you mean?
Well, block out materials.
Oh, like shapes to make like buttons and stuff. Or do you mean
kinda? So there's material packs that have measured out. They're just here, let me look it up.
They have squares in them, so that you can see the scaling of everything.
Yeah, and it's just a bunch of different colors, and they look pretty nice. I'm just being lazy instead of making my own, but I'll.
No, that's a viable thing to be doing.
Do I have an entity trigger in here? Dang it, I don't. I need to update my library of useful scripts that I use all the time, because I'm missing quite a few. Transparent. That is not transparent. Oh, it's rendering. That is also not transparent. What the heck? Oh, now it is. That's confusing. Maybe I'm just too impatient. Oh, that is bizarre. So even if the opacity is at 0, you can still see the transparent cube. Huh.
Let's see.
Weird. Make that the...
Even with the transparent layer?
Don't worry about it. On materials, even with their transparency is set, or their alpha on the color is set to 0, you can still see the box. So I need to go to another project real quick.
Oh.
And yoink something. Chart Explorer. I think it's like Entity Range Trigger. Yeah, there we go. Entity Range Trigger. So I think how this works is, oh yeah, perfect. Ooh, not perfect. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to expand functionality on this then. Do I want to do it so that like each frog has like their own tag that I can compare to? I think that'd probably be best and easiest. Sorry, I'm kind of rubber duck programming right now, where I'm just talking out loud and I don't actually.
No. It's I honestly, it's good to be able to speak it out, because especially for me, I need to, if I'm doing something I don't understand work wise, I have to say it out. But the moment I'm kind of just like piecing together what I do know.
Ooh, I should always be using this Keychron for programming. It's so soothing.
I've been wanting to do a wireless keyboard for a while, but I don't really have a reason to justify it right now.
I definitely recommend the Keychron. It's great even when it's using the cable. It's just, ooh, crispy.
Mask, and then I need to do a volume.
Say, can I pass through to, maybe, I don't know how this is gonna work. So we do this game object collided with other game object. Do dot name. Yeah, that'll be fine. I got this backwards actually. So it should be this dot, there, and then get rid of, oops, get rid of that. Okay, that should be fine. Do purple frog, yellow frog. Frog. Debug trigger. This will be expecting yellow frog. And debug. Okay. Oops. Go to console. Interesting. Huh. Has a box collider that need to be triggered like that. Dang. I think it's because it's not kinematic. Oh! No, that was not it. Yellow frog. Debug trigger. Just looking for yellow frog. is the issue? Oh. Okay. It might help if I'm looking for 3D elements. There we go. Do the same thing, basically. Cool. Yellow frog. Schematic. Still not getting anything. Is that really it? Oh. What could it be?
What could it be now? Could it be?
Rigid body, box collider, debug, box collider. Am I checking the right thing? On trigger, enter. Compare tag, target entity. Other does not equal the parent, which probably shouldn't be the case anyways. On enter invokes, and then it's supposed to debug out, and it's set to debugging. So what is going on? This shouldn't be that, right? No. Okay. Untag. Let's remove the trigger, I guess. Does this also need to be? What is going on? Continuous dynamic. That is super weird. I always have an issue with collision. I don't know why. No matter what I do, no matter how many times I do it and set it up, I always have an issue with collisions.
Well, I imagine it is like literally physics, so I can't imagine being the easiest thing to.
It's always something small too. It's gonna be like, oh, I didn't put this like tiny little different function call or something like that. It's good. It's fine though. I'll figure it out. Render, little finger. Dun, dun, dun. Still looking for. Did I spell that wrong? Yellow frog. Yellow frog. Let's see if there's any detection. Print. Something hit. Do 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 do. What? I don't get what yellow frog. Am I stupid? Am I spelling this wrong? YELLOW FROG.
Yellow frog.
YELLOWFROG.
I did lowercase as well.
They're both
Yellow underscore frog.
I mean, they're both spelled it in like same formatting. They both have the same formatting. Oh, that's the player. That's the object name. That's not the tag. Am I comparing the right thing? Other dot compare tag equals target entity, and other dot transform dot parent. That's irrelevant, right? Because this is... What is it hitting? Something hit other .game object. What? I thought you could... Whatever. Perfect. What is going on? Something hit player underscore yellow. Something hit GFX. GFX? What? Hold on. If I remove that. What is going on? Still just getting that one. I'm actually kind of confused here because it's detecting it, but it's just straight up ignoring like this object. Am I tripping? I feel like I'm tripping on something. What the heck? This is such a minor thing too. What the crud? I can get it working easily with two. Is it because there's 2D? No, because it's still getting it. What is going on with this comparison? You know what? Print other dot tag. Duh. Yellow frog. Print, and we're gonna do other tag equals target entity. We're gonna print out target entity. Target. Actual. This is not what I was expecting it. It tripped up tonight.
Yeah, I don't think they're ever...
Wait! What? Hold on. It's saying it is true. Why is it not printing out the debug thing then? I'm so confused. Is it ignoring... If debugging, which it's set to true... What? So it is this, it's this other .transform.parent thing, isn't it? It has to be. It literally has to be. Okay, so that's just bad. that was it. Oh, you don't need to do that there. Duh. I feel stupid. Okay, so that's just bad logic right there, apparently. We figured it out, Aiden. Good job. You did it.
We worked together on that one really hard. Yeah.
I told you, it's always something stupid. It's always something little. And I was like, there's no way, because how could they have the same parent? Because they don't have a parent. And no parent is the same as the same parent, technically. That was something, all right.
Add override. Oh, there we go.
We make it like that. Do we still have the... kinda. Let's make it like 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Real tiny. Yeah, there we go. Now we can get to the real stuff. Ugh, goodness. Okay, so And move that back down one. Put it like it's on his bum. Like this cube, this triggers is just straight up on the other frog's bum. Oh, I guess the simplest solution would be to detect what direction they're facing. Like both frogs are facing, right? So like to make the jump possible, they both have to be facing like
correct
the positive Z direction.
Oh, the same way.
I think that makes the most sense. But no, okay, yes, I know exactly how I'm gonna do this. I know exactly how I'm gonna do it. I gotta do it somehow. Do I want to do it the easy way, or do I want to do it the correct way? That's an actual question you can answer.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, the easy way sounds like the more game jam thinking. So,
so the easy way is I hard reference everything in the triggers, which means I have to like crisscross stuff. So like the jump trigger for the purple will be referencing the yellow's jump function, or leap function rather. The smart way, and honestly it's not that smart because there's still a lot of room for error, is to send out a message to the colliding entity and then kind of parse the data from there. But that's not easy and I don't want to do it, so. So we're gonna do it the game jam way. Okay, so that's gonna go in the purple frog, and this is gonna go into yellow frog. Yellow.
Oh.
So this will be looking for purple frog. Wowee-ree. And we'll go ahead and so I think at the beginning I want to player input awake. Mover got set point 0 destination. So I did that in the reverse order. Paste. Yep. That looks good to me. Whew. We're killing it, Aiden. We're killing it. And these frogs look amazing.
Thank you. They're beautiful in the sunlight.
Oh, hold on. That makes me want to listen to the SpongeBob Tiny Tim songs. Dancing in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight. Yeah, that's it.
What's the tickle song that I can think of? Were they laughing through it?
I don't know. That sounds scary, though.
It's beautiful.
Oh, okay. I believe you. Okay. 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 So now... Oh yeah, I'm going to turn debug off on these. Save. So now we need player input. Also, I'm just jamming everything into player input. Save. Awesome. That is really good.
Did you ever find my Apple Watch?
Is it not on my in table? 1 second. I'll be right back.
Ah.
Just take it from me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just when I like, and how I love it. I'm right here to stay when I'm old and grey. I'll be right in my prime, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
Hello. There's a little boy.
Alright, sorry about that, I'm back. Are you there? Has it just been a dead stream for several minutes on end? If we had any viewers, they're gone now.
Hello?
Hey, there you are.
Oh, okay. Hold on. My significant other is here, so I'm just saying hello and grabbing some drink. But I am here, nonetheless.
Gotcha, gotcha. If you ever hear the sound, put your eye to the sky, boy, and wonder. Maybe there's a kingdom above the weather. Oh, and whether you're gonna get on in is up to him. Okay, before I get any further, I actually want to do something real quick. Never consent. Like some siren. Maybe there's a singer with no ring around her little finger. No love. If I lose my voice, if I have no choice but to go quiet.
Oh my god.
It'll be delayed, but I want to show people the frogs. So the moves. So have them move so that in a few moments, when it does catch up to the stream.
Okay. I'll hurry. Okay, fine. I'm on the main menu though. I was trying to do something.
I guess I could technically go back to the stream to the point where you're moving them around, but that's too much work.
All right, they're moving. They're grooving.
Okay. Sorry, wait on the delay.
One. I killed one.
Orgs.
Oh god, they can move like crazy! Holy crap! That is... I don't know if that's intended. Bite. Wee!
Chonkin' boy. Yeah, they got big thighs.
Aren't they beautiful? That's so beautiful. And they can fall off the edge. Oh, I guess not yet. Oh no!
I'm guessing it's 2 players?
Yeah, it's WASD and then
Yeah.
person on each. Oh my god, you're like holding him off the edge. Trick shotting him.
Gonna scare us.
Oh my god, no! I need a bug.
No, that.
Oh, there is a bug. Alright. Back to work for me. So, in order to get that like solid color sky, I kind of want to put a, make a plane and stick it, encompassing the entirety of the screen on the back, and just have it follow the camera. I feel like that's like, obviously there's better ways to do that. You can make the sky actually the way it's supposed to be, but I'd like to be able to mess with the sky being different physically based like stuff, and without having to worry about the color being correct.
It's like, I forget his name, but the one that has like the long clothes. The one that was not boyfriend, but liked the deaf girl. They were like best buddies. Oh. I forget his name, but I like his character and I like that actor. Yeah.
Carry me home singing, oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. I got those backwards like crazy. I did not sing that correctly.
What song you're singing?
Beautiful Strangers by Kevin Morby. More I don't know how to pronounce his name. It's a good
That's how you
song.
get past that's how you get past DMCA strikes. You just sing the songs yourself.
Exactly.
The live performance.
in his manger. Easy, like the Jesus.
They're in all the network.
I don't know if this is gonna work. I'll make
What?
it work. The idea I have for this stupid ass main menu.
Oh, are you doing the little frogs text?
Yeah, and I'm having them like hold hands in the main menu screen.
Oh, they love each other. You just turn them on their sides, put them on their backs. What?
See, like little Jesus, free from danger.
Oh, that's a bug. He's going.
He wants the bug. My bug collection.
My bugs.
So. Yes. I'm adding a bunch of HDRIs that are like Unity sets.
Nice.
I can watch those. Those are good.
None new.
Yeah, I can watch them in the background.
Aw.
I already imported them.
What is a good way to do this?
Not too long after he said he woke up and he said,
I think we're just gonna
Oh, mama.
cheese it. Rotator. Rotator potato.
"You were in
Later.
Oh, we're going to
These fjords are beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, this is looking
What?
good.
Oh yeah, let me open up the screen in the corner.
Loop. Do consistent rotator. So we probably need to do like 9 different rotations. Oh, this is gonna be weird. So 0, 0.
Oh, yeah. Remember how I almost beat it and I want to beat it now? Okay.
Negative 45. Minus 45. Minus 45. Oh, this is scuff as fuck.
Wait, what are you setting right now?
I am abusing my smooth moves. Dude, I love this script. I use it for literally everything. And if I have to move something,
Target points, you have 8 different.
so it should.
Oh, okay. You're rotating between the points. You're just setting keyframes.
Oh, I forgot to set the action speed. Oh, it is not liking that. Okay, so I do 1, and it should. No, not quite. How does that look? Oh, I think that's it.
I know you were saying after your
I think that's it. I think that's it. Yes, it's right. Yeah, look at it go. I think that's amazing. Oh no, it hangs up at what? Why did it hang up? What is it doing?
Give her a manager right
What?
My mom. I don't know, just from what she.
Okay, so there's issues.
I'm sorry. Okay.
I think I have to. I need to turn this song down. It is loud. It's like too loud. How do I just go up a little? Alright, I'm just gonna turn it off because I gotta think. Maybe I need to do it the other way. 35, 180. No, because it would have to come back around, wouldn't it? 225, 270, 315, 360, and then it'd have to go. No, because it should just loop back around, right? God. Rotating stuff is so frustrating.
Oh, you're using Smash Bros. Go. Let's go.
I hate people do this.
What?
And they're like, we get mistaken for this celebrity in many places that we go. Like, of course you're gonna get mistaken for that celebrity if you try your hardest every single day to look like them.
Yeah. Oh no.
Without their makeup done that way, and if they didn't dress the way she does, nobody would think that
Come
was her.
on, there has to be a way to accomplish this.
Yeah, I'm sure that's a big mind.
Why is it just ping-ponging between them?
Ariana Grande. No.
You had everything you were supposed to. You're supposed to be right, but
I'm more confused of how it's in the negatives. How is it in the negatives if it's...
more entertaining that it's like like randomly choosing a speed and a distance. It's
If I set the time, will it... Because, like, it's trying to reach it, but it, like... It doesn't have enough time, but it does. Go to it. Go, my child. Hold on, let me try adding a whole bunch more points. So if we go... Hold on. Just ignore this for now. If we go back around, we go... Positive, 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 positive. It should, if it's going all the way around positive, it should just reach back to 0. Why is it not doing that?
maybe you need less elements and you need to have it only rotating to like 180 and then back to 0.
Yeah, let's try that. That might be smarter.
That way there's only 2 things that could possibly...
Okay, go. Come on, just speed it up a little bit.
You can also keyframe like an actual regular animate, and that's just how it, like...
Yeah, I was really hoping that my rotation in Smooth Moves was to the point where I could use it for this kind of stuff. But I guess it's not. Maybe we set it to lerp.
Let me know if you can hear that, by the way.
No, I'll just make an animation for it. It's not worth the amount of time I'm putting into this. That's unfortunate. Oh well. I was really hoping that my beautiful little baby boy system would handle it. Assets.
You're nothing compared to the vast power of Unity.
Yeah, exactly. Camera, main menu, camera, rotation. One day I'll get it to be perfect. Okay, and then like at 10, we'll be at 180. At 20, be like at 360. Is that gonna look right? That is not looking right at all. Let's put that there, put that there. Okay, still looks like shit, but that's because the curves are garbage. So what we gotta do there is just select all and flat. That's not even close to flat.
She looks so cute. Yeah, but you know she's like intentionally not catching any.
Oh no!
She like
Maybe it's both tangents linear. All right, there we go. That looks good.
It's all the ones not geographical blue.
There we go. Now we got some rotational frogs.
Her.
Yeah.
All right, I guess that'll have to be good enough.
I got it for 8 cents.
Why isn't mine good enough? Why? Why,
Will
SpongeBob?
never be.
Why? Why are they not back to... Oh! That's why. They both have their smooth moves still on here somewhere. What? Yeah, okay. There it is. Yeah, they both have smooth moves. Alright, what do you think about the main menu now?
I'm looking at as it.
It's got rotation. It's
working.
got frogs.
Yeah. No, it looks right.
Good enough.
Good for Game Jam.
Yep, exactly.
I mean, better for. I mean, pretty damn good. For Game
Yeah,
Jam.
it's better because people get to see your beautiful frogs, who kind of look like salamanders from the right angle.
They don't need to know that.
Or you could just.
That's why you have the word frogs.
You could just
above
long in them and make it a salamander.
I need to make an enemy player. That's a salamander, just stretching them out.
Behold, the flat frog. Okay, I need to seriously reset all that shit I just did to this poor thing. Okay, there we go. And then I guess we can add a little, just a little. What if on one of the frogs, okay, just hear me out. I make it so that they, over the course of an hour, they just get marginally bigger to like this size.
They slowly turn into a flat PNG.
Hold on,
You
smooth
have to
moves.
question whether or not they're. Oh, if you wait over
scalar.
the course of an hour, they slowly become flattened.
All right, I'll do one of them. They get bigger. The other one just flattens out. So it's a good big size.
I mean, would it be worth it to add like a little general up and down scale just so that they look like they're like just a quick little scalings? They look like they're oh god. We have the main menu open.
500 seconds, speed 0.0005. Scale like you've never scaled before. Oh, I can't even like detect that he's gathering size. Oh, because he's fucking not. There we go. Because it was set to idle. Yep, there he goes. He's ever slowly gaining girth. Let's make it a little bit faster. Yeah, there he is. It's just getting bigger and bigger.
That's actually the game. We released that. A live preview of a frog slowly getting larger.
All right. I'll do the real one where it looks like they're just breathing or something.
Yeah, just some kind of a. It can be a little exaggerated if you want to, about their scale. Meant to be cartoony.
Cartoony. Mamma mia. Mamma mia, Papa Pia, baby got the diarrhea.
I forgot that there was a proper export for Unity HD render pipeline. So I'm gonna give.
You're an HD render pipeline.
Thank you. That would actually be a good compliment. Ugh. Yeah, for that.
Oh, it is so like hard to even perceive that something's even happening to him, but it'll be fine. Again, I'm spending way too much fucking time on this. I should be working on the leapfrog logic.
No. This is about presentation, not about gameplay.
All right, back to the sample scene. I think Moto likes you.
Likes you. Mm-hmm.
Dun, 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 dun.
Whoops, backwards.
Whee! Whoa!
What?
I said, whoa!
Yes, it's like kind of cut off.
Oh, okay. Oh, my bad.
That's funny. You went, what? It just cuts. It'll never not be funny to me. Just the concept of it just instantly cutting off.
Oh, now that they do a little front flip when they fall off. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Mi cuerpo está listo. Prefab, unpack, field. So what happens if I take this?
Oh, does it export with AO? Why did I close it? I'm a stupid dumb idiot.
You're a stupid dumb idiot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
As any game engine should, be more efficient about its systems of lying. So, did I delete the AO layer?
Whoa!
Let's see, just forgot about something. I did. Okay, good.
God, I seriously need to fucking do this leapfrog logic. I keep putting it off for some reason.
Okay, it's okay to be distracted.
I keep getting distracted by random stuff. Okay, so player input. Turn check ground. Private or no public void leap. Game object other. So if other dot facing. How do you hold on. Print other dot transform. Do
Some crows outside.
The crows. The crows come for you.
Have I told you that my where my apartment is where the crows come to roost, literally, and so like nearby they do, and so every single day there's like mass flocks of crows going over my apartment. It's very entertaining.
Do they speak to you?
Yes.
Good. Wait, I think I did that wrong. No, I didn't. Okay. That doesn't look right. Oh, fuck. I keep falling off.
Is it that's giving it this? Oh, exposure of the. Is it? And how much exposure is this on? 15. Whoa.
Ass ahoy.
That's really overexposed. Okay, what if I go down to regular exposure?
Whoa, ass ahoy.
Ass ahoy. Bed and slip lay 4K, so I'm just gonna go add in. To package manager. Abandoned slipway 4K. Have some boba. Very nice.
Drinking boba.
Okay, boba.
Put that name in the coconut and drinking boba.
Abandoned slipway. Abandoned tank farm? Oh,
You're a tank farm.
thank you. I would hope so. Okay, and then go to.
So it's detecting their directions, but there's no way to get it to like it's not like what is the word?
Hmm?
It can never pass. Like the check will never pass.
Hmm.
Maybe if I do
As expected, it's gonna be something stupid.
you're something stupid.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Thank-
Roll that forward.
Okay.
Print other.transform.forward. Print transform.forward.
Ugh. I looked up at my window for 2 milliseconds and I saw one of those huge like mosquito eater things right outside the window, like coming right at the window. So you have that split moment where you're like, is that inside or is that outside?
Yay! Okay, that works. Awesome. Okay. Sweet. So now we can do
If then.
leapfrog.
You say that, and I look down at your. Look at the point the stream is at. It's still broken. Not broken. Yeah. So you're just like, oh, look, it's working. I look down. The frogs are running into each other.
Okay. Problem number 2. They both try to leapfrog. So it needs to be and this dot can move. Yeah, there we go. So hey, where was it?
In the paper bag. That brown paper bag on your desk.
On my desk? On the end table?
Yeah, on the little end table.
The one with all your gross
Yeah.
snot
The
rags?
garbage bag.
The garbage bag?
I was like, ain't no way it's in here. Why the fuck would it be here? I literally checked everywhere else. I was like, it's not gonna be in here. Why would it be in this fucking garbage? Who's in the garbage bag?
Oh.
Why? Why did I put it there? What is wrong with
I mean,
me?
there's a chance I could have put it there. I don't know.
I found it.
Hey,
I'm gonna hold on to it.
okay.
I'm not gonna lose it again.
Are you gonna wear it ever?
Yeah, I gotta charge it. That's why I don't, because I have to take it off to charge it because the battery sucks. I put it on the charger, and then I forget about it because I'm like, I don't want to have to put it back on, and then it's gonna die immediately, and then I gotta charge it again. So I just don't wear it. Ugh.
I'm glad you found it.
I'm not taking it up. I'm just gonna wear it dead.
Okay. Brick Frog.
Brick Frog?
Yeah, from Venture Brothers.
Oh yeah, Rick Frog. I know that guy. But, high
Okay.
school, actually.
Issue number 2. What is going on? Oh, because the whole thing has to rotate. No! My rotational hubris! It's finally caught up to me! Okay, well, that's an easy fix, because I can just take the rotation component off of this and put it on the graphics where it belongs anyways. Right? Just agree with me.
Yes. Yes, I look, I'm thinking about it. I just don't know. Don't know if it's true. Come on.
Okay, that might work. But there are 2 smooth moves on it? What?
This is getting so blown out.
Brick Frog. Sorry, I keep yelling about Brick Frog.
You're just spewing your lies.
No, I did the exact same thing again. I put God, I'm dumb. Okay, so do that. Get 2 inspector tabs.
Inspector tab.
Lock one of them.
Do.
Have you ever heard of
Inspector
Inspector
tab.
Bonk?
No. It sounds like he's hurting people.
Have you played TF2?
Once, and I was scared of everything that was happening.
Dang. These elegant and high class memes might go over your head, but I'll share
Okay.
I'll share Inspector Bonk with you anyways.
Okay, I think I finally got lighting and everything correct. I fixed the frogs. The floor sections have new textures. Or materials. I just named them new, just to keep them fresh, so you can drop them onto the. It needs to be prefabs. Replace the prefabs. Oh, it's easy. Easy squeezy.
You just fancy. So it needs to not be local, I think. And then bonk 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 bonk.
Oh.
That's the dumbest fucking solution I can think of. Bonk 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 bonk.
Okay, let's maybe do a push. Good old fashioned push.
Well, that doesn't work. Why do it do that? Oh no, the jumping is so broken now.
What did you do?
Bonk, 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 bonk. Oh! Okay. So what we need to do instead is make
Or something. No.
bonk 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 bonk. Bonk 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 bonk.
Why can't I?
So I think I need. How do you pass in those? I made a whole video on it.
Oh. Pulled successfully. Okay. Stage all my changes.
I'm having to go back and watch one of my own videos. This is what we're going to invoke when we call.
Okay, I'm committing changes. A bunch of changes. So we'll see what happens here.
Okay, so I think I need to make a new assets. User interface. Class. Sure. Fits. Bonk 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 bonk.
Stuck in my head too.
Oh, we don't even need any of this.
Do you want, perchance, a button?
Yes, please.
Okay. Maybe we can have. I can make a little like, void to exit out of.
Try leap. Unity event int. Right? Okay, that looks somewhat reasonable. Return type mouse move dot
Oh my god.
new text display.
Oh, it's the scout bonking people.
C.
I love the video of this like this clip explains TF2 perfectly or something like that. I gotta find it.
Oh dang! I think I'm gonna have to violate my poor little class here. First, I'm gonna send this off to the library, so it's in there. Now I have to violate it. I think I have to put this in here. No, stupid. How did I make a whole video on this? I don't remember crap from it. Try leap on try.
I love this video so much.
Clip that perfectly sums up TF2.
I love that
And the scout dies. Wow.
I just laugh at him.
That's a classic Two Fort moment if there ever was one.
Just take all my frog references down. Don't need them anymore. Alright. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
Oh, this is such a scuff way to do this. I think that's how this would work. Oh, I guess I could just... No, that'd be fine. But, oh, right. And I named it incorrectly. Oops. Oh, right, and then player input. Why would that matter? Why would that matter? That wouldn't matter. Pair rotation.r equals r. Oh, yeah, I don't think that would have mattered. Dang it. That was a oof. And it's not even right because it'd be in their parent. Oof. Oh, what am I even doing? What am I even doing? Because if it was just passing in that. Yeah, we just need int. Yeah. Int. Pass in. This serialized field private player input parent input. Gosh, what a mess this is. Nasty. Okay, so now we can get rid of this one. Okay, so now we run an extra move. So we do this. Oof. It should already be. Oh, this is tricky. Hmm. okay. It's not bad, actually. Huh. So normally they'd fall, which is good. Okay, all right. That's pretty good.
Media Baba. Hello.
Hey, welcome back.
I'm here. Did you poll?
Oh, no.
God damn it.
I'm pulling now.
Your auth token for GitHub is invalid. Would you like to refresh your auth credentials and try without OAuth?
It's
What?
it's not showing any thing to pull.
Maybe I have to sign into my GitHub?
You might not have pushed all the way then.
Where's my...
Oh, that's so jank though, dang it. Well, there is a leaping frog now. It can get to the other platform.
It'll do. Well, let me follow the...
Whee! It's just so quick and snappy. It doesn't feel right. There needs to be like, they have an idea.
Sign it.
So down here, I'll do another enumerator called leap cooldown. Basically run the
He's
same.
looking to GitHub to continue, but I'm already signed in. Guess my GitHub password. I think he's getting mad at me that I don't own Gitkraken, but I paid for a copy of it a while back. I don't know if it's...
Why is it so fast? Why does it do it so quickly?
Oh. What?
Bull.
We...
Why does it do it so quickly? Why? 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 Why?
It's... Gitkraken is refusing to let me sign in. Brother. I'm already signed in. What is happening? It says I am signed in to my current profile.
Harry walks in, they're like, oh, wrong computer. Albert Reg. What's wrong? Is with Reggie White. Oh, yeah, I remember that.
You have protected GitHub passwords in one of your remote or stored credentials. GitHub will remove username and password. What? What's happening?
Oh, interesting. Stop coroutine, reset move. Maybe that has something to do with it.
I'm signed in. Maybe I sign out of my account and then sign back in.
Good job. Say your name. Man, if you can get like an honor still outside the rainbow, they're like, please tell us one. I like it. Yeah.
the fuck is happening?
Yeah, that's a little better, I guess. Might be the same, to be honest. Fuck. I need to implement the the restore frog functionality, so they don't just fall.
I'll see jumped off the edge.
Oh my gosh, I need dang it, I need a better way to arch the frogs over. Cuz this is not cutting it with the way I have it set up.
Here's your username.
Wonder if I can do this. Or you do minus equals 1.
And delete the profiles folder. Okay.
Is that gonna work? Before I continue onward, floor, expand, expand, expand. I need a really big floor so I can test as much as I need to without having to reset every time, because that is getting old. Okay, that looks pretty good actually. Okay, all right, yes, okay, that actually looks really good. Nice. Boing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am very happy with that. Cube.
Wait until it pops up.
I know, right?
I expanded the size just so you can not fall off the edge.
Yep.
Ooh. Ooh, I like that.
Okay.
That was good.
Awesome. I'm glad you agree.
Shoots off of them.
Huh. That's interesting. So if you hold the direction, you go one tile further, but if you just you can actually kind of control it slightly. So if you just do a normal jump, it goes 2 tiles, but you can actually hold the direction button and go even further. Should we just leave that in? Be like, yeah, that's totally a feature.
Sure, why not? Yeah. See reason not to.
We'll just put a little sign somewhere, like at the start, like the tutorial area. Hold the direction to go further. Totally intended. Okay, I'm digging this. I like it. It looks pretty good. So one of the
level design.
So one of our basic setups we can do is this rudimentary leapfrog thing where, and this can be in the starting area again, you know, teaching them the leapfrog thing. So there can be a gap there. They leapfrog over, they press a button, it releases a bridge so the other frog can get over, and then they leapfrog, you know, over them. And it's like, it's a
Sure.
one tile thing so that the frog that leaps over, they can't like turn around and do much else. If they try to like go up or down, they'll fall off. So they just, you know, have this leapfrog thing. Okay. Turns out you can kind of abuse the leapfrog. That's beautiful.
How so?
It's
What'd
coming
you
up
do?
soon. It's coming up soon.
I fear.
It's a little tricky. I kind of want to leave that in too, just because it's a game jam, so, you know.
I'm waiting on.
Waiting on the stream.
Oh. Both jump at the same time. That's beautiful. It kind of works though. It kind of actually just looks intentional.
Yeah, I'll just say it is, just to. Now the important thing is, can they get additional airtime? Which I don't think they can. So I don't think that would actually help as much. And you know what? Fuck it, I'll just leave it in. We don't need to worry about it too much. And what do you? Okay, so if they release the button, they kind of just jump up without going anywhere. Could that be like a, you know, like, oh wait, I didn't want to make that jump, so you release it quickly.
You could also utilize it. We could put a button above them, and they have to hit the button directly above them or something. Like, if we get that far, I think we just gotta focus on win scenario, jump bridge, stand on button.
Yeah. Let's get the buttons working next. I think we can worry about stuff going forward.
Okay.
So, because once we have the buttons in, I can add in the win condition, and then, you know, we'll move from there. Sound good?
Yes.
Cool.
As far as my end, I
actually really
trying
like how
to
they
push
jump.
again, but it's very entertaining. I like their movement. I'm glad we didn't do too much crazy stuff with animation. It works well.
I think I'm going
little movement.
I think I'm going to limit how quickly they can move, because right now they can like boing 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 boing. I think I'm gonna kind of like unexpected mark stack overflow. Okay, that's worrying. It might be because I'm streaming and trying to make a game at the same time. Okay, I guess the Unity just crashed, which is fine. I don't really care. I mean, I care, but
I don't care.
because right now they kind of skip across the ground like they're like the tossing stone, you know, across water. Do you think it would be too annoying having to deal with a delay of like boing, boing, boing?
Maybe just leave it the way it is right now and get the rest of the stuff in,
Yep,
and we can decide that later once we start play testing.
You know, you're absolutely right. I absolutely agree. When you're right, you're right, and you know what, you're right.
I am not right often, so I'm having issues with my I don't know what's going on. It's like asking me to sign in. Even though I'm already signed in to GitHub, I typed in the correct password. It's like, I don't know about that one, Chief. And then I saw online, oh, you can't sign out. You can only sign into a different profile. So I went. Maybe I should just like. I don't know. Long form of random stuff. It's just not letting me push for some reason. But it's no longer giving me that prompt. So I'm gonna see if I can change one more thing and then commit it. Just like find something random to change. There. Move a frog around.
I like wine. Sorry, I was listening. I promise.
You were good.
I'm just dumb.
And I commit. It's still pushing. Oh, what's wrong? Uninstall. Get cracking. I paid for this license, and it's being mad at me. I paid for it. I did it. I did what it asked.
Alright, I think I'm going to call the stream here because it's going to be archived and I think we're past the most interesting stuff tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop the stream here. If you're watching this in the future for some reason,